keep trying to avoid these, and y'all keep messaging me finding those stuff. Starting this trip out in Mission Hills. And of course, Witnesses going for 50. Pegasus Waves. I'm still not a fan of these. And I'm sure some of you guys are. I don't know. $30? Oh, 30 bucks? That's not bad. 30 bucks? Oh, wow. Price is going down. Got some Air Max D. And $90 so much for prices going down. MB3s, 50 bucks. That's an early weekday visit too. What the hell? What the hell? Okay, dude got some. What are these? The Zion 4s? Zion 4s, right? Zion 4s. It's the last one. So this is the last one. $80, size 11. KDs, we've been seeing these go down in price, 85. We got big ass sizes over here. Got another one of these. Seeing if it's reduced. Nope, 85. What are these? What are these? Some older Lucas, I was gonna say. Luca 3s or something. 75. First time this is the first time we've seen these Pumas right here. $50. These are the LaFrance casual line right here. Size 11. These look dope. These actually don't look bad. I'm a fan of these. 50 bucks. Okay. NASCAR Crocs right here. This actually has some of the stuff. Wow, you never see all the gibbets and stuff. This actually has quite a few of them. Yeah, 30 bucks for these. And some Metcons. Crazy huge size. I don't know, $70 though. Women's section over here, like apparel, not even worth showing y'all, dude. Damn. In the women's, I've seen quite a few different Crocs. These are a little different. Monster, what? Monster cereals? I don't know. Blueberry, what the hell? I don't really know. That is size 9 men's, 11 women's. These are going for 25. That's 25, right? And the Puma LaFrance ones here as well. I'm pretty sure this is a men's, but they got it in the women's. This is a men's 10. 20 bucks. 20 bucks. First time I've seen these. If you're a Mellow fan, that's what's up. Got some mids right here going for 80. Got them in multiple sizes. Yeah, this is what I usually see. Bunch with no gibbets. But yeah, these are 30. Another mid right here, 80 bucks. Seen these in all kinds of sizes. They threw all of them in the women, so I think that's about it. See another one right here. Not really see much else. Actually saw a bunch of different Crocs, to be honest. Oh wait, do you got some sprinting spikes? $45? The Nike ones, they were charging like 20 or something. What the hell? What the hell? I picked one up a while back for a high school kiddo for hella cheap, like 20 bucks I think or something. But yeah, I do got these weird look. I don't know what the hell these are. But yeah, Pumas for 30. All right, I guess we gotta go to a few more. I don't know. We'll see. I need to go pick up my kid from school. My kid, he's addicted to round one. Is it over there, I think? But yeah, dude got the Burbank Town Center. Not too many sneaker shops here. And I am surprised to see these here. What were these? The Jordan 3 El Vuelvo? Is that what they used to call them? But yeah, these, I am definitely surprised. Size 11. I originally thought that was like a platinum leather, but it's kind of like a nylon. I don't know. Yeah, it's kind of an interesting texture. It does have all that extra overlays on it with the Mexican flag color right there as well. $230, $229, $99 for those. I haven't seen these in a while. That's crazy. Got the Pure Money 3s right here. No, I was like, what? No, it's the wrong thing. I was like, what? 110. I would have got grabbed that for that price. Do you have the Taxis, the Mellow 12s as well, French Blue 9s. These are the Flight Club, right? Flight Club. $220. I saw this in the corner of my eye. I was like, is that what I think they're? No, they're not the Gammas. Got the Aqua 8s, which I'm really surprised. And then also do have the Bugs Bunny 8s. And they are all going for retail. $215 for these. I'm actually surprised to see these here. $185 still. still full retails, which is kind of a surprise because we have seen those on sale at certain spots. Out of all the Jordans right here, this is kind of the only retro right here. One at 30. We've been seeing these on sale at some, or all of the shoe palaces. Not bad, not bad. And then do got some Hydro 11s right here on sale. They're normally like $65, $70 now. Got a lot of the Spizike lows, one at 30, 100 for this one. And then got some lows, mids, and stuff like that. Oh, and then I missed the Jordan 1 Low OGs right here. I need to start getting more Jordan 1 Low OGs. I can wear these with my slacks and stuff. I really like the way they look. This is not an OG, but like this colorway is not bad. Can wear these with all kinds of blacks. I don't like that midsole though. I don't like that sale midsole. What Hokas are these on sale? The Clifton 9s. Clifton 9 looks different. The Gore-Tex, it's a Gore-Tex one. Maybe that's why. But yeah, 120 for a bunch of the Clifton. That's a Clifton 10 right here. Also 120 for this one. Some of the Bondis are starting to go on sale. 120. I think these retail for like 175 now. Prices definitely gone up. Because yeah, that one's 175 right there. The white one's 120. Weird colorway of the Superstars right here. Oh, it's a SpongeBob one. I don't know, they made a Patrick SpongeBob Superstar right here, $98. And they got like other Samba, 70 for these bad boys. These aren't the OGs. Campus right here, they got patent leather ones, 110. These are on sale everywhere, $80. Crazy to see those AEs already on sale. Kind of a weird time because summer stuff from last year on sale, $30 for call sites, and then winter stuff also on sale because winter is starting to wind down, especially here in Los Angeles. 140 for those, 120 for 270. We've been seeing those on sale everywhere. And these have been on sale at Shoe Palace as well as Chic's. But yeah, these are the Booker Halloween edition right here with all the scorpions and all that type of stuff. And the outsole is glow in the dark, so those are pretty dope. Got foams right here going for 160. All white ones go for 160 as well. These still go for 105. I can't believe it. Arcady Coppers 80, Air Max 90s 100. They've been milking the hell out of these Mamba Kobe's right here. They've been milking the hell out of 120. Been available almost everywhere. And these not on sale. The Rejuvenates. Some spot we've been seeing them on sale, some spots not. I think Chic has those on sale as well as the slides. Those are $875 here. Gonna step outside the mall real quick because there is a Ross right across the street. Downstairs they got their little sneaker section right here. Shelves are full. It's a good thing. These are some old school Currys. I think these are older Currys right here. I don't know which ones. One of some older ones, but $55. That is a 7.5. Got some Gazelles. I hope it's priced pretty good. $40. It's all right. Zion 4s right here, 75, a little bit high. I think it's like a size 8 or something. Look like some budget shocks. They're going for $90 though. Under Armour basketball right here, 55. They got these in the men's section over here. I think they're supposed to be, but yeah, they got the MB slides right here, Mellow Ball slides. Are they the slides? I don't know. Are they the mocks? I don't know. What the hell are these? They're not mocks. Whatever. But yeah, $20. Got some Nike SB Forces right here, 50 or 45. Some Snoop Dogs right here, Skechers, Snoop Dogg's 33. Oh, this is actually really dope. I don't like the colorway though. I like this, but the Manoa domes looks like. I really like the air unit on the side on boots. Kind of stupid, but kind of dope. $70. These look so freaking comfortable. Tried them on. They're not. The midsole's so freaking hard. 55 for these Under Armours. LeBron Next Gen, 70. There's like multiple versions of the Next Gens. I don't remember what they're all called. Some of them are called the Amps. Some of them are called the, I don't know all of them. 10.5 Zion 3s. A little bit tried on or something. I don't know. There's no price. Oh, there's no There's no midsole. The midsole is the most important part because that's the drop-in midsole. Though. Another one of those Ion 4s. $80 for the DNs. Bigger sizes, 11 and above over here. Air Max DNs. There's a Pegasus Turbos. Is that what these are called? I don't remember. But yeah, $90. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. That's what those are called. Price of these Hoka's gone down at all. It's awful colorway too. I don't see a clearance sale on it. Got some Max R's or something. $80. 80 for these. God dang, dude, these are going for 80. That's crazy. She got them for crazy cheap. And I got some Pegasus waves. Nothing too crazy. Oh, these are some Hardens? Like Harden 4s or something? These are like Harden 3s? Oh, that's a crazy find. Harden 3s, Harden 4s. These are crazy sizes. That's like 14, 15. But yeah, $55. And then GT jumps right here. These are crazy. Size 20s. Size 20s. That's crazy. They do have the weight belt. This is what I've been looking for. I've been looking for these, but I need a medium or maybe even a small. I don't know. But this is a large right here. And it's funny because it looks like a WWE or what is it? UFC belt. God damn. Yeah, they're going for $20. We got the women's section over here. What is it? V2K runners or something? 65 in the huge sizes. These Chucks are crazy huge, or they seem crazy huge. I doubt they're even that big. 12 and a half. I bet it's 12 and a half men's. I think those are Chuck 70s too. But yeah, those will go for 30. Asia 173. Got some Cortez right here, 46. That's a solid price, 8.5. Is it 8.5 women's or 8.5 men's? That's 8.5 women's. Jordan 1 lows right here, 7.5. These look like golf. It's like a golf, and these look like a men's. But yeah, 85. And just yelling on the intercom. But yeah, dude got some 270, $70. That's actually pretty decent. That is a golf though. It says golf. 270 right there. Got some Jaws. He did not get traded. I'm trying to figure out what to do with him. I don't think anybody wants him, which is crazy. $50. NBA trade deadline was crazy. Chris Paul got traded. I'm trying to think of all the other big changes. I don't know. Man, it was crazy. It's crazy. Lakers got rid of Vanderbilt. Who'd they pick up? Who the hell did they pick up? I'm trying to remember. The three-point shooter. Picked up Luke Kennard. That's kind of crazy. Got Jordan 1 highs right here. Look, comes with all the accessories. This is Jordan 1 high with Zoom Air in it. Got little. Oh man, look at how soft that is. $80. All right, I think that's it. I think we got one more store. There's a Burlington upstairs. Burlington, the last store here. Got the men's sneaker section right here. This is the size 10s right here. 10 and a halves on this side. Wow. 10 and a halves, even less on the right. Wow. Damn. This spot used to be so freaking dope way back on. $40, size 11. Superstars. Got a couple of those. It feels like they got more shelves, but they didn't really get any sneakers to fill them. Got these blazers right here. Super long hair suede. $55. What's this right here? What's this? Good Guys? Oh, it's Chucky. I was like, good guys never win. We know that, right? Chicks always like the bad boys, no? I don't know. What do you guys think? Bigger sizes, man. Moving over to the women's section where I guess they got better stuff. Lunar Rome, $60, I think. But it's a men's? Oh, I'm weird. That's weird. Got some, I think these are men's too. They're freaking huge. Size 13s. $32. Another one of these. Dang, I saw some of you guys hit me up, tell me you guys are finding like Air Max 95s and all this other dope stuff. And some of y'all hitting up a bunch of these, I bet. Because I ain't finding jack. I might have to, I'm going to have to go hit up the Nike outlets. Hopefully I could hit up Torrance and a couple of them this weekend. But I have been busy with my kiddo and stuff. That's why I haven't had as many videos. But yeah, I'm gonna try to I might have to hit up the Nike outlets. You got some all leather blazers right here, $55. But to be honest, not much, doggies. And of course, back at round one, this is what my kid is addicted to. He's not addicted to these games because these games are a rip-off, but he is addicted to coming here. He loves the space. And this is what I love about this spot right here. Ice cream is 99 cents. Look at this. Look at this. Strawberry cheesecake is so freaking good. Chocolate chip's pretty good too. I'm gonna have 2 of these. I'm gonna have 2 because, what the hell? I'm gonna have 2 because I've been really good and I've been on 1,600 calories all week. 1,700 calories, kind of depending on the day, but I had one day that was like 1,300, so I averaged probably 1,600 calories this entire week, so I'm gonna treat myself. I'm gonna treat myself to two cups of ice cream because it's only $2. $2 effing dollars. That's what's up. Look at that. $2. $2. That's what's up. And they are legit cones. Usually, like sometimes they're bigger. It depends on who it is, but yeah, not bad. $2, not bad. See if the homie's able to win one right here. Let's see what's up, dog. What's up, doggy? Come on, good luck, fool. Good luck. Let's go. Oh, you got robbed. I saw that, doggy. Man, that sucks. I got robbed, homie. That sucks. Yeah, I got a 3rd scoop. Look at how much bigger the scoop is. I ate like a few bites and it's like huge. Oh, what the hell? And then their drinks. My boy did get a drink. Their drinks are refillable, which is cool. So you just keep the cup and stay here for like 3-4 hours. Get it refilled like 500 times. I think this is one of the animes that my kiddo loves so much. Miku or something? I don't know. None of this crap. If we're trying out one of his YouTube techniques, what he saw on YouTube, see if it works. Wow. That was a $7 swipe. Alright, he's done a few different ones, and then this one looks promising. Looks promising. One try. Should be easy. You want? Oh, there you go. There you go. Finally, hey, one shot. There you go. There you go. Oh, this is definitely the craziest line I've seen at Union. All right, I've come to a lot of Union raffles. I've never seen it go around the entire block. This is the beginning. Actually, this is the beginning of the line right here. Going around this way. So it doesn't look like I'm trying to cut. That's Union right there. And then literally it loops around this way right here before it goes around the entire block. I've never seen it like this. This is insane. This is insane. I think it goes all the way back. My kiddo was in line. I dropped him off when I did parking. So goes to the store, then it loops around, and then it goes around the entire block. Holy crap.
Everybody good? Anything changed in the line?
2 hours in, finally made it almost to the front. 2 hours in, dude. 2 hours in. Finally made it to the front. 2 hours and what, 15 minutes or something? They're giving out tickets right here. Got my ticket, or gonna get my ticket. My kiddo got his ID as well. Yeah, 2? 2? Go to 2? 3? 3? Okay, cool.
Can I ask you something?
Oh.
Hello, how are you?
Oh, you're supposed to go to 2, but yeah. Appreciate you. All that for these 2 tickets. Now I need to go online. The moment of truth. I was here a little over 2 hours. No ticket! No ticket, and I did park like a little bit, so I was like worried. But yeah, no ticket, we're good. After Union did come to the most packed In-N-Out I've been to in years. This is the Hollywood location. It's crazy. It's my kid's reward for waiting, what, two and a half hours? 2.5 hours. That's his reward. This is my thing right here. Double, protein salad, and then a double meat, no cheese. That's what's up. That's what's up. It's like what, 600 some calories?